Good morning from Colonia del Sacramento. So this morning I'm actually leaving Uruguay. I'm taking the ferry back to Buenos Aires. And this afternoon I am joining a city tour, so that will be exciting. So yeah, let's head out there. And I have made it to Buenos Aires. So the ferry ride took about an hour, and I made my way to my hotel and could check in. And now it's soon 2 o'clock and I will be picked up to join a city tour to see the highlights of the city, as I only have today to explore Buenos Aires, so that will be really exciting. And I was fortunate enough to get a room with a lovely balcony overlooking beautiful Buenos Aires, so yeah, that's great. So we're heading out on the tour now to explore Buenos Aires. We have made it to our first stop of the tour. We are in the Recoleta area of Buenos Aires, and our first stop is actually the very famous cemetery where former presidents and Evita are buried. There are 4,800 graves here, so I won't be able to see them all, but yeah, this is the first stop of the tour. So this place is huge and it's absolutely so impressive. Each of the graves are like a house in itself. And you can really just get lost here. It's so big. So it's very interesting to see. And it was a short stop, but now we're going to head over to our next stop on the tour. So we'll see what that is. Stop at the main square here in Buenos Aires, and I have come to the cathedral, and the current Pope Francis is actually from Argentina, and this is the church where he was an archbishop, which is really interesting. It's a very, very beautiful church from the inside. Buenos Aires, as we were driving through it, also feels a bit like Paris. It has a very Parisian style of the architecture, and people are very stylish. Also, Argentina gained independence in 1816 from the Spanish. But yeah, we're going to go to the May Square now and see where the May Revolution took place, and also the Pink Building, which is the famous government building. The white building is the building where the May Revolution took place, when Argentina got their first government. And behind me here we have the Pink Building, which is the very famous government building here in Buenos Aires. And the president lives 20 minutes from here, but he actually takes a helicopter to and from the office every day. And behind me here you have the famous Pink government building, and this huge flag with the flagpole. I think it's the biggest flag I've ever seen. And we have made it to our last and final stop of the tour, the area of La Boca, which is a very colorful neighborhood close to the harbor. This is where a lot of the Italian immigrants came to and lived. So I think this is the perfect place to end my video here today. It's been a very short but nice visit here in Buenos Aires, and there's definitely lots more to explore, but I had a very little time here, so I've tried to see the highlights. But tomorrow I head to a new country, and to Chile, so I'll see you next time.